Bubble produce chemical reaction and gas carbon dioxide gas. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Umer and our today's activity is making vinegar rocket. In this activity we are going to learn about chemical reaction and endothermic reaction, and we also gonna make carbon dioxide gas. In this activity required things are vinegar, acetic acid, CH3COOH. Number 2, the white powder, baking soda. Baking soda, other name is sodium bicarbonate, and a plastic test tube with rubber cork, beakers. First step is I am making baking soda packet. A small piece of tissue paper, a very small amount required. Why I am making baking soda packet? Because when we mix vinegar and baking soda, reaction is very fast. For making it slow, I am making a packet of baking soda. A small amount of vinegar required. Approximate 5 ml. Going to add baking soda packet inside the plastic test tube. Then after this we'll insert the cork. We are making carbon dioxide gas. We made carbon dioxide gas. With the pressure of carbon dioxide gas, our rocket fly. Now I am going to prove Newton's third law. For every reaction, there is equal and opposite reaction. Again, same procedure as 5 ml vinegar, acetic acid, baking soda, a small packet, now that plastic tube will go up and cork will go down. Are you ready? Bubble produce chemical reaction and gas carbon dioxide gas. Plant gives us oxygen and take carbon dioxide gas, and we do the opposite of it. I proved Newton's third law. For every reaction, there is equal and opposite reaction. That red cylinder also filled with carbon dioxide gas, and carbon dioxide gas is also a fire extinguisher. I hope you like this activity.